Friday, to be honest. It's Ghost and Goblins, obviously. We're in character, and the girls are looking great. The costumes are obviously on, and we're ready to show off our great gymnastics. We've got a really balanced class of like veterans and new amazing poppy explosive talent, and together combined, we're going to be a really exciting team this year.
What's his name?
This is Stella. And Callie, my daughter, said I should buy this about 5 years ago, and she's made an appearance back in the game, so very excited about it. Roll time!
Hey.
I believe I can